Welcome everyone as we explore the convenient Sterilite ultra-wheeled laundry basket for your busy modern home. This spacious basket offers a large capacity of 1.75 bushels for your daily needs. Smooth gliding wheels allow you to transport heavy loads of laundry across the house with total ease. You will love the retractable handle that gives a secure grip and stays out of the way. Integrated handles also provide a very comfortable way to lift and carry this basket up the stairs manually. These quality products are made in the USA and are safe because they are BPA and phthalate-free. Measuring 21 by 16 by 22 inches, this 4-pack is the ultimate tool for you. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.